Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the display of the Poco F2 Pro versus the Poco X2 device. So as you can see, our friends, Poco F2 Pro and Poco X2. So right now, I'll be comparing the displays of the both the phones. So let's see which display will be the best. I know it's the Poco F2 Pro is a high-end device and Poco X2 is from the mid-range segment. But I just want to compare side by side from the same manufacturer company Poco. So let's see how the both displays, so which displays are good and which has advantage and disadvantage. So what are the features a Poco F2 Pro has, so what are the features the Poco X2 has. So let's compare side by side. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and in case if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using year and year, so don't forget to check the playlist for the wallpapers so you can find very good interesting videos. And also friends, one more thing, recently when I got the MIUI 12 update in my phones, so in the Redmi K20 Pro device, so try to check the playlist also for the MIUI 12 update, so you can find very good interesting videos over there. So let's get started. First open the settings. So let's see what both phones are having, what different kind of settings. So when you go to color screen, so in the Poco X2 you don't get much of the customization options in terms of the display colors. So whereas in the Poco F2 Pro you do get plenty of customization option. So as you can see right now, there is advanced settings as well. So once you're in the advanced settings, you do get enhanced features more to get more saturated images. But whereas in the Poco X2 that's not the case, so you won't get any that kind of option. So that's another drawback. And next is that having the super AMOLED panels or AMOLED panels in the smartphones makes the advantage of having the always on display, so which is all time my favorite feature in most of the super AMOLED phones or AMOLED phones. So definitely this is one thing which you will be missing if if the display is not AMOLED. And next is the Poco X2 has the advantage of 120 Hz refresh rate, as you can see here, so which is a 120 Hz. Even the Poco F2 Pro, which has the 180 Hz touch sampling rate, so which I did a separate video on that, you can check that video. So which means the touch response will be a little bit faster, and you do get a little bit kind of good feeling that you are using more than 60 Hz refresh rate. So definitely this is a little bit of gimmick which will work when you are using the phone. So in the first time when I'm using the phone, I felt it's super fast and very much fast to the touch response. So let's get started with the display comparison by playing one common video between both the phones. So right now I'm playing the same video in both the phones. I can see there is a huge difference in terms of the colors from Poco F2 Pro to the Poco X2 device in terms of the colors. So where the Poco F2 Pro looks pretty good, colors do look very saturated in the Poco F2 Pro. So as I said, the phone is of Super AMOLED panel display and which has plenty of color options to choose from. So one scenario is that there is a video toolbox option, so which I'll be doing separate review on that one. So which do have option to change the brightness significantly, as you can see how much difference you can see the brightness here when you compare this to the Poco X2 device. So you can set the different scenarios, even the black and white mode as well. So this is a one good extra option which is available in the Poco F2 Pro as well, friends. So even in the MIUI 12 update also, there is a video toolbox present in the Redmi K20 Pro. So you don't need to worry if you are having the Redmi K20 Pro device. But overall, in terms of the display, the Poco F2 Pro is a fantastic, which looks pretty good and which has plenty of customization option to get a very decent quality of the videos. So that's one thing which I have noticed after using the Poco F2 Pro device. So you can see the quality also how it looks, and full screen experience makes the very perfect mobile for watching videos. So instead of having dual punch hole notch on the Poco X2, the Poco F2 Pro is far better. So do comment below which display you like the best. And Poco X2 also have the option of increasing the color boost. So there are plenty of videos which I have did on the color boost, which you can do in the Poco X2, and even in the Poco F2 Pro also you can do that. But these with the normal settings without changing any color boost options. So you can see significant change in terms of the colors. So the here the in the Poco F2 Pro it looks pretty good. And even the Poco F2 Pro is the screen is also slightly higher brighter than the Poco X2 device. So that's another thing which I have noticed. So these are the viewing angles, how it looks. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more in-depth videos. So this is just a comparison video to demonstrate which display looks better. So obviously friends, the Poco F2 Pro's display is far better than the Poco X2 phones, but no need to worry. Even in the Poco X2 phone you do get option of color boosting, so you don't need to worry at all regarding the colors. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.